awardee. Jazaira O. Harum with honors, patient advocate awardee and perfect in attendance. Sophia Bernadette T. Blancha with honors and Golden Heart awardee. Devina Corina T. Cabanilla with honors, Eager Beaver awardee and perfect in attendance. Chloe S. Callis with honors, Happy Helper awardee and Little Teacher awardee. Adria Blythe B. De Castro with honors and Gorgeous Kid awardee. Sophia Isabel T. Del Valle with honors and DCB awardee and Disciplinado Ako awardee. Nicole Kelly B. Gubalan with honors and Brave Soul awardee. Genesis Char S. M. Pin with honors. Alexi Dwayne A. Diaz with honors and Happy Helper awardee. Alea Sophia P. Hijara with honors and Honest Kid awardee. Manuela Marie D. Lovell with honors and Eager Beaver awardee. Shamira B. Bano with honors and Patience Advocate awardee. Maria Yvonne P. Padeles with honors and Batang Masigasig awardee. Queen Triana R. Payusan with honors and Collaborative Kid awardee. Alexis Daniel Y. Pepito with honors and Determined Kid awardee. Ilyana Abigail M. Pia with honors and Great Giver awardee. Honey Grace C. Ria with honors and Batang Masigasig awardee. Marilyn Nicole S. Sagiril with honors, Batang Maasahan awardee and Disciplinado Ako awardee. Brandy Harper M. Smith with honors and Great Giver awardee. Zane Isabel D. Taho with honors, Honest Kid awardee and Good Sport awardee. And lastly, we have Vieta Christine D. Rosal with honors and Cheerful Kid awardee. To the proud